Om Gam Ganapadaye Namaha. Om Shakti. Sri Lalita Sahasranamavali 651 to 700 with meaning practice. Om Vignya Trayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the ultimate subject. Om Veda Varjitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who, being omniscient, has nothing more to know. Om Vedya Varjitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who, being omniscient, has nothing more to know. Om Yoginyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Yogini. Om Yogadayai Namaha. Salutations to her who can bestow yoga to votaries. Om Yogyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the object of yoga. Om Yoga Nandayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the bliss realized through yoga. Om Yugantarayai Namaha. Salutations to her who bears the yoke of yoga, consisting in regulating the evolution during vast periods of time, yugas. Om Icha Shakti Jnana Shakti Kriya Shakti Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the power of will, Icha Shakti, power of knowledge, Jnana Shakti, and power of action, Kriya Shakti. Om Sarvadarayai Namaha. Salutations to her on whom everything rests. Om Supratishthayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the firm foundation of all existence. Om Saddasat Rupa Dharinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who takes the form of both being and non-being. Om Astamurtyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has an eightfold form. Om Aja Jaitriyai Namaha. Salutations to her who helps to overcome Aja, meaning ignorance. Om Lokayatra Vidayinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who directs the cosmic process. Om Yekakinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the alone. Om Bhuma Rupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is infinite by nature. Om Nirdvaityayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has no opposite. Om Dvaita Varjitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is without any duality. Om Annadayai Namaha. Salutations to her who supplies food to all. Om Vashudayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the generous giver of everything valuable. Om Vridayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the primeval one. Om Brahmat Maikya Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is a symbol of the oneness of the Brahman and Atman. Om Brihatyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the immense. Om Brahmanyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the wisdom of the eternal. Om Brahmyai Namaha. Salutations to her who belongs to the eternal. Om Brahma Nandayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the bliss of Brahman. Om Bali Priyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves the offerings of devotees. Om Bhasha Rupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is in the form of language. Om Brahat Senayai Namaha. Salutations to her who leads a mighty army. Om Bhava Vivachitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is beyond being and non-being. Om Shukaradayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose worship is easy to perform. Om Shubhakariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is blissful to blessing, who is blissful in blessing. Om Shubhakariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is blissful in blessing. Om Shobhanayai Sulabhayai Gatyai Namaha. Salutations to her whose path is lustrous and easy to traverse. Om Raja Rajeshwariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Raja Rajeshwari, the ruler of rulers. Om Rajya Dayinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows dominion. Om Rajya Vallabhayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves dominion. Om Rajat Kripayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is gloriously compassionate. Om Rajapita Niveshita Nija Shritayai Namaha. Salutations to her who raises her devotees to royal status. Om Rajya Lakshmayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the goddess of sovereignty. Om Kosha Nathayai Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over treasure or the 5 sheets kosas of the human personality. Om Chaturanga Baleshwariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who commands armies well equipped in all 4 arms. Om Samrajya Dayinye Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows imperial dominion. Om Satya Sandaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is wedded to truth. Om Sagara Meghalaye Namaha. Salutations to her whose girdle is the sea. Om Dikshitaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is under a holy vow. Om Daitya Shamanyai Namaha. Salutations to her who quells evil forces. Om Sarvaloka Vashankaryai Namaha. Salutations to her who keeps all the worlds under her sway. Om Sarvartha Datriyai Namaha. Salutations to her who grants all our wants. Om Shavitriyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the creative power. Om Sachidananda Rupinye Namaha. Salutations to her whose form is existence, knowledge, bliss,